Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Spicer here, and in today's video we're going to be learning how you can make an open and closable GUI on Roblox, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is insert a screen GUI into your starter GUI, and into that you want to insert a frame. Now we're going to move this frame. You can move it to wherever you want. I'm just going to move it like this, in the middle of the screen like that, and then inside that frame I want to add a text button in, and then I'm going to scale this down to about that size. I'm just going to customize this. I'm going to make this say X, make sure it's text scaled. I'm going to change the font to this, change the background color to this. I'm going to add in a UI corner. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing this to customize it. I'm also going to add in a UI stroke, then change the stroke to border, change the thickness to 3. I'm going to change this to bright red. Actually, no, I'm going to change this to black. I'm going to change it back to black. Okay. So now I'm going to rename this to close button. You can if you want, you don't have to rename it, but I'm just going to do that for this. And for the frame, I'm just going to make it black. Alright, so now that we have our GUI that we want to be able to open and close, we want to make sure this, let's actually just rename this frame to open frame. You can rename it to whatever you want, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to make this not visible. Then I'm going to add in another, actually no, I'm going to add in a text button, and then I'm going to put it down here on the side somewhere. I'm going to make this text button say open, and then make sure this is, I'm going to change it to this, so I'm going to scale it, then change the background color to, I'll change it to red, and then I'll add in a UI corner, and that's our open button. I'm going to just name this to open button, and now we're ready to start scripting. So I'm going to add in a local script into our open button, and for this script we are going to write, first let's just write a variable for our open button. So I'm just going to say open equals script dot parent. So now what we're going to do is, now I'm going to say open dot parent, what is the parent of open is, where is parent? The parent of open is the screen GUI. That's what we're saying. So we're just saying, so now we want to do the screen GUI, and then we're going to say dot open frame dot visible equals true. True. And I forgot to write a function. We're supposed to write a function. So open dot mouse button one click colon connect, and in here you're gonna say function. I was supposed to do this first, so I'm just gonna copy this, then delete it, and then repaste it in here. So that's what you're gonna do. You're supposed to write this line first before this, but you're gonna put this line in here. So basically we're making a variable for open, which is script, and then the parent of script is open button. So every time we say open, we're talking about our open button. And then mouse button one click, it basically just means whenever you left click on your mouse, or when you just tap the button on mobile, it should connect the function, and then inside this event function, it should do this whenever we click the button, which is make the open frame visible. So now if we test the game out, if we go ahead and test it out, what should happen is whenever we press open, it should, yes, open this. So now we have to script the close button, because it won't, this won't close. So now we're going to add in a script into our close button, a local script, and we're going to do the same thing. This time I'm just going to make a variable for close. You don't have to make a variable, I'm just doing this to make it easier. But now I'm just going to say close dot mouse button one click connect function. So we're making another event function. In here we're going to do the same thing as we did for our open button, but this time we're going to say close dot parent dot what is it, open frame. Wait, oops. The parent of this is open frame. You don't have to, the parent of the close button is the open frame, so now we just need to say dot visible equals false. So now whenever we press the close button, it should make the visibility to false. So now whenever we play the game, we press open, it should open it, and when we press that, it should close it. So that's how you make a working open and closable GUI. You can customize it however you'd like, add whatever you want inside the frame. And that's just how you make an open and closable GUI. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and sub for more videos like this, for more development videos and more Roblox videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. So, goodbye.